Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be unboxing the Omoton wireless mouse, model number WM003. Claim to fame here is high precision tracking, 10 meter range wireless, long life battery, universal compatibility, and long lasting quality. Here's what the back of the box is, top of the box, bottom of the box, and side, which is basically the back. So if we open her up, let's see what we got. So in the box we've got one user manual in color, the blue only. Yeah. Looks like a charger. So USB in the back and USB-C. Okay, we got one cable. Okay. Oh, is that USB-C? No, it is. So that means you can open up. Okay, what we're using for now, we've got one mouse. So the reason I like this was it's rechargeable, so I don't need to get batteries. Here's the on off, so it came with power. Nice. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. Nice. Made in China. Thanks guys. And that scratching was bolt.